Nezha Ao Bing desktop trash can made from a Cowpro box. Simple and cute. Draw a triangle on the side of the milk carton and cut it out with scissors. Cut off the top to turn it into an open trash bin. Remove the straw, cut a piece, and glue it to the top as a hinge for the lid. Use markers to draw your favorite Nezha and Ao Bing designs to make it more fun. Fold a piece of paper into a movable lid, place it on the straw, and secure it on the other side. Isn't it adorable? Perfect for holding small paper scraps or desktop mess. Look, our Nezha and Ao Bing desktop trash bin is ready. Simple and practical, give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share your favorite craft ideas in the comments.